especially njengamanje ama-point akhe ukuze aphase I think u-70% kwi-CAF u-30% kwi-league. Yeah, he has to win i-CAF. I-league noma sengenza kanjani kodwa i-CAF it's a must.
Yabona uma ngibuya kule point lami leli lokutshontsha igame. Hayi mhlawumbe ukuba ungenile uteam A noma kuthiwa ubezokusubstitute ngo-30 minutes. I'm 90% sure ukuthi ibingeke washaya lamagoli lawa ayiwashayile. Okunaloko mhlawumbe Sundowns bingabhala 1 goal. Then ke seyashintsha ke 45 minutes usefaka bonke labantu abebefakile sebeyakwazi ukuthi bayo rest noma bangahamba bayocela iAmstel ngale kwamakhelwane. TS Galaxy isebenzile kakhulu iushayile uteam B futhi emva kokuskora lamagoli kwe2 bekuzoba nzima noma kuthiwa ubezofaka bani ukuthi equalize up until iziwini Mamelodi Sundowns because leya defense ibingasafune kuzwa lutho ibisikhipa kanje and futhi ibinto ebeyiyenza iTS Galaxy ibiyithi ilkeeper lahlala khona bayalibamba bashaya i-counter edinga abantu abastrong ukuthi ima kuyobanjwa amaphutha ngale
ama-counter eTS Galaxy they were more promising than i-attack